I want to do another quick video on cleaning your clock parts. This, let's see if know if you could see it, came out of the ultrasonic cleaner. You see how it's got all that grease and grime in the gears? Well, this is pith wood, and this is what this wood is for, to clean your parts. It's really soft wood, kind of like balsa wood. It's really cheap. And then after you use it, you have to clean the pith wood out of the gear, but for the most part, it's looking better already. So you just poke the gear in the pith wood to clean it up. You can use toothpicks also, but this cleans them all up at the same time. And so with a toothbrush, I'll be able to clean out the pith wood. This main gear here had grease, again, after getting out of the ultrasonic cleaner. I only left it in the ultrasonic cleaner for 10 minutes. I don't want to leave it in any longer because I don't want it to change the color of my brass. But I used the pith wood to clean up the main gear here, and it cleaned it up really nice. But you can purchase this pith wood through Time Savers or your clock supply, and it's typically made for pocket watches, but you could use it on clocks also. So I hope this video helps. This is for the antique French clock that I'm working on, that I got at the mall the other day, the flea market. And I only paid $37 and some change for this clock. And that the plate shows that it's a French clock with the stamp of 1855. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. God bless.